Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, thanks for tuning in. As seen by the title down below, y'all know what will be up in this video, so stick around guys. Kylie's come this way. Come baby girl. Kylie, where's one of your what happened to one of your the thing in your hair? Where is it? Eh? You leave it in the Uber? Oh my god, so how are you going to get it back? Next one will be installed now.
So, it's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. You want to make that now?
Okay guys, so the bracket is up. I'm going to put on the curtains. That's what the bracket looks like. Alright, this is the curtain that I'm going to put up. Kind of brownish color. And this is 40 inches wide and 84 inches long. So this should be long enough. And I'm going to put this with a piece of white in the middle. So this is the other piece of curtain that I'm going to put up with the brown that I showed you earlier, but this guy, it's crush up, so I'm going to just iron it out, take out some of the crush out of it. Okay, but I'm going to leave the iron in there and hold fully the next part, the brown part. Won't need any ironing. So I'm just going to iron it and then get back. Hard for iron them both 2 times and that is the result. So just have to work with it, but going to need another curtain, another white piece to drop in the middle there so that it can balance and it can look more fluffier, but that is how it is for now. So Kylan and Kylie's, so daddy's birthday is a couple hours away, right? Yes, so you're going to make a card for daddy. You're going to make a happy birthday card because you're far away from daddy. So you're going to make a card and mommy is going to take the picture of the card and send it to him, alright?
Yes.
You love your daddy?
Yes. Yes, so daddy can come over here. so you can come.
What do you want to tell Daddy Kylie's?
I can hold happy birthday, Carla.
Whose birthday is it, Kylie's?
My birthday.
No.
Daddy birthday.
Yes.
I miss you, Daddy. I love you.
Kiss up your daddy now. Guys, it's curry chicken day, so this is what my seasoned curry is like. Alright guys, so that's what it's looking like. Really and truly the phone not do it no justice because the curry is very much prettier than how it is showing on camera right now, but that's it.